Hi everyone, Timotheus here, your online marketing buddy. Today we're tackling a pain point for every entrepreneur and marketer: subject line struggles. You craft amazing emails, but they vanish into the inbox abyss, never open. But fear not, my friends. Today I'm sharing 7 powerful email subject line formulas that are guaranteed to grab attention and get your emails open and clicked. So smash that subscribe button and let's unlock the secrets to subject line mastery. Before we continue, remember to check out the resources in the video's description below. There's a marketing automation resource that is ideal for your email marketing. People are naturally curious. Post a relevant question in your subject line to spark their interest and make them open the email for the answer. Everyone loves learning new things, especially if it helps them improve. Offer valuable tips and insights in your subject line to position yourself as an expert and provide immediate value. A little scarcity can go a long way. Highlight limited time offers, exclusive discounts, or aspiring content to create a sense of urgency and motivate people to act fast. Got exciting news? Share it. Use your subject line to announce a new product launch, blog post, or webinar and generate excitement. Numbers are powerful attention grabbers. They give readers a clear idea of what to expect and make your email easy to scan and understand. Personalization builds relationships. Include their name in the subject line to grab attention and create a connection. People are motivated by benefits. Highlight the value proposition of your email and tell readers what they stand to gain by opening it. Keep your subject lines concise and to the point, ideally under 50 characters for mobile devices. Now you're armed with these formulas, and remember, A/B test different variations, avoid spammy language, personalize beyond just names, keep it mobile friendly, align with your brand voice. By consistently using these strategies, you'll craft subject lines that will convert. Remember, it's an ongoing process. Experiment, analyze, and adapt. And also remember to check out the resources in the video description below. There's a marketing automation resource that is ideal for your email marketing. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips. In the comments below, tell me which formula you're most excited to try. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.